Ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. Kaiser Chiefs are playing TS Galaxy on Sunday, and we are here to do a lineup prediction with Coach Cedric Case and also Coach Khalil Ben Youssef. I'm hoping you guys are going to drop your own lineup prediction in the comments, and also your scoreline prediction, like the video as well, is very important. So refer to Sidlalani TS Galaxy, a team that is much better compared to Ichipa United that we failed to beat, and that scares me. It scares me, and there's the fact that TS Galaxy has been a team over the years, a logo esinikeza inkinga. From 2019, when we started playing them, best keeper nje Nedbank, this team has been a team ekunzima nje ukuyishaya. Sometimes siyabashaya ngo-1-0, sometimes they force us into unnecessary draws, and I'm not sure how we're gonna do in this game, because this team this season has been playing very good football, even though form yabo in the league in the moment is not really that great. I think we need to go through that last 5 games, have a look at how they've been playing. Last 5 games in the knockout, Carling knockout, played the Golden Arrows, Bashaya go 2-1, and then they went to play Stellenbosch at home, Bashaya go 2-0, Stellenbosch not doing well in the league this season, but still they have a good coach, Steve Barker. Went to play Mamelodi Sundowns away, they lost 1-0. 1-0. Niggas underestimate scoreline. This is Mamelodi Sundowns, ebashaya yabantu, and I think 1-0 away for TS Galaxy is impressive. And then went to play Golden Arrows again, Babashaya 2-1 at home. Went to play Polokwane City away for their last game, 0-0 draw. So yeah, TS Galaxy are not that bad. As you guys can see, they have 20 points after 13 games played. Okay, they are right there in the 8th place, and the teams that are above them, they are really doing well in the league, and I wouldn't blame them for being there. Okay, let's go and create a lineup prediction without any waste of time. Okay, we're gonna go with the formation. Year 2, as you guys know, Kaiser Chiefs ithanda ukudlala 4-2-3-1. This is a game where I don't think, as much as Chiefs and TS Galaxy are TS Galaxy, I don't think they're gonna sit back and wait for us to attack. This team, if you guys have noticed, TS Galaxy mayidlala nathi ayikazi nje isabe, like they've never been scared of us. Basiqonda nje ngqo. So it will be a game where teams will be going pound to pound for each other. English, I hope you guys understand. Okay, let's go and create a lineup. In goals, you guys know Brandon Peterson starts. Brandon, how to write Brandon? Today my English, I don't know. Brandon Peterson in goals. And then we go and play Ulo on the right back. It's Solomon's comes back. Ulo Mjita, currently he is not good in my opinion. He's a bit rusty after the injury. I think he needs a proper recovery. Ulo Mjita, Tabiso Monyane. And then there is Ulo Mjita. Who is this guy? Pasaka Marco starts obviously. Last game he had a good game. Pasaka Marco starts, and then I have Uzi Takwinika as my center back, and also Inacio Miguel. I know you guys don't want him, but we still need him. Inacio Miguel starts. Let me know. Manifuna kumkhipha nizofaka ba Aiden. Is Aiden fit? Is he already back? Did I see him last game? Nzamukhumbula in the lineup. Did I see him? Who did I see? Kanyisa Mayo. Okay, let me know. If you wanna change Miguel, ningamchange abafethu. Okay, Mteto comes back. Sidlala TS Galaxy that are going to, if they allow us to have the ball, they're gonna counter attack us. But I don't think that will be the game. I think these guys are gonna just straightforward. Bangasabi basiqonde nje ngqo. Kodwa Umthetho is needed. I think he's going to have to be there to protect that back line. And then I'm going to pay him up with Lebo, Hang, Mabue, of course. Even though last game, first 20 minutes, I thought he wasn't having a good game. But I think this guy, if we keep on trusting him, keep on believing in him, I think he has so much to give us. Lebohang Mabue, yeah. Attacking mid, do I play Shabalala or Ungobo? In my opinion, Shabalala, Ungobo is a much better ball passer compared to Shabalala. Shabalala is a bit better in combining, running in behind, and then Ungobo is more good in passing. Here we are to combine and then he can also take shots outside the box, and I think he's slowly coming back on Nkosi Mpilo Ngcobo. Kodwa the coaches, they somehow always sub him off for some reason. Yabo, I don't know. Kodwa I'm gonna start with Mshini. Ngcobo here. Ngcobo again. Shabalala hasn't been 100% in his last few games. And then, who do I play on the left? I'm going to bring back Velepai. Even though the technical team might want to start to pull him out because Sidlala, ETS Galaxy are probably going to attack us. Even though abantu bengalindelanga ukuthi ETS Galaxy is attacked, this team, I saw they are not scared of us. They've never been scared. Under any coach, abakazi basaba ETS Galaxy. So you might see the technical team bringing in Mpule Moti so that he can do those the up and down adding a guy from a winger. At the same time, I need goals. In the first half, I'm going to play a player that is more likely to give me something up front. I need a goal. I need an assist. So Velepai starts. Last game, he was substituted. I don't know why. I think we were all surprised with why he was a substitute, because he was one of our most active, very active players who were threatening to score a goal. He got substituted by the coaches. Hopefully, they're gonna start him again, because this boy, I believe, in a few games, even in this game, he can give us a goal or even an assist. Okay, who do we play here? Do we play Vilakazi on the left, on the right wing? I mean, do we play Vilakazi or Khanyisa Mayo? I'm thinking Khanyisa Mayo on the right as a right winger. What Kaizer Chiefs has never played him there, so they've never played him there. Last game, Vilakazi did not have a good game most of the time. First 20 to 30 minutes, he was not having a good game. Even though he later on tried to work hard, tried to combine a lot of bad passes he made in the first half. And I think imsindile igame yelento leChippa United. Kodwa ndazi kanjani. I was expecting him to have a good game. It's Chippa United, and he somehow did not have a good game. So now we're playing a team that is a bit tougher compared to Chippa United. Is he going to have a good game? At the same time, this is a boy that we now have to start trusting, start to believe in him, play him in my opinion. I think he's going to have a good game. For some reason, I just believe in him. And if we play him with Solomons, who he has been playing with, I think he's going to do better. He was playing with Monyane the last game. I think Monyane being injured kind of slowed him down. He was doing very well at the start of the season, and then he got injured. In match fitness, ayikabikho kahle uMjida akakabi segiyeni. So I'm thinking Vilakazi starts again. Uzodlala kahle masedlala naloMjida, Dylan Solomons. They've been playing very well together. Okay. Vilakazi starts again. Up front, who do I start? Ighodaro, Khanyisa Mayo, Lomjida, Flavio Silva. Khanyisa Mayo came on last game, and I think Khanyisa Mayo is one player that is more likely to give us goals compared to all the other guys. And as much as Flavio Silva has been giving us goals, I haven't seen him combine very well with some of the players. that are playing behind him. So I'm also thinking I should go Khanyisa Mayo, because I think it's unfair that a player that has been playing, has been there performing for us, Flavio Silva, does not score 2 games nyana, and now he's being put on the bench. I don't think Lonto is about fair. But at the same time, we have to think of the results. I think Khanyisa Mayo is going to give us something in this game, so I'm starting him. Khanyisa Mayu starts. So this is my lineup. I have Peterson in goals, Solomon's right back, left back is Paseka Marco, Miguel and Quinika as my centre backs, 6 Mtetwa, 8 is Mabue, right winger Vilagazi, left winger is Velebai, attacking mid Kosanpile Ngobo, Khanyisa Mayo up front. My scoreline prediction will be Kaizer Chiefs to win by 2-1. Yes, they're gonna score, these bastards. They are very good. Just gonna see, they're gonna score. Like the video, comment your own prediction and also your scoreline. I'll see you on the next one.